into the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is given advice on men and dating men. She's saying that we as women have to give, let it be 100, 50, something, but we shouldn't allow the men in our lives not to, you know, to walk over us basically. We have to walk away or step away from them walking over us because when we think that they're not having someone else with us, they are. She's saying that people in the past, like her mother, um, would have sat down with the situation, and she's not sitting down with that. She's saying that it's a different time, a different era, and so she is not sitting down with that situation with a man going out, getting someone pregnant and then coming, you know, back to her. So she's saying that is not for her and more. So go ahead and go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Never been married. They would not papa from them left school and breed from them at 16, 17, 18 and sit there with life. Well, that is not me. I want to see him one sit down with that circumstances every time, walking on a blood clot, mama footstep. If you sit down with man who no want married to no and don't want to pay no attention. Not me, honey. Not me. Me a futuristic blood clot mind. If you're not doing what you're supposed to do, me give you chances. Fire pussy clot. I don't like seminar have sex every week. Eh? Fire them. Where you think say because me go with man, me a fuck them every week? You think I saw it's a pussy I go? Nah, I don't say go. Fire them. Someone need to step up in a 2024. Get rid of them. Who not cook, who not clean, who not bad, who not even put yourself in front of them. Who not go out, who not shop for them, and who not even a shop for them. Change up the narrative. 50, 80, 30, at 100. What wrong with you? We already been through the world already, now we all know. So we know what we want. We already gain our experience, so we are learning from it. Our experience at the present moment is our greatest teacher. And our experience right now is to make our blood clot self happy. Man can't make us happy. Because when you're there with one man, they're there with another woman too. He's on the phone talking sweet word. It don't matter which man you have now in life now. Kill me dead. He's talking to somebody else on the phone. Because one of my things so now have no body on this, he's talking to somebody else. So me say let you know. So if you don't want to sit down and walking on the mama blood, me not walking on a bumbo clock mama footstep. My mother have 6 children with my daddy. My daddy never married to her. That's why one of my sisters resent him. Because him have 6 children with my mother. And him have other children, other woman. And then later down in his life, he got married to a woman we never have the children with. And he been with my mother all his life. While him out there cheating having with other woman pitney. And my mother sit down with that blood clot and dead and gone. You understand? I don't get to inherit him pitney them good up life. Where you could have take care of her. You understand? So, and that is the problem. We sit down with man. And then all of a sudden them left us. And they got married to another woman. After you spend 40 years, 30 years, 20 years with them. What about that? Huh? What about that? You tell me. So you in a 2023, you must sit down with a man. If you have your way and how you want to be living and where you want to go from where you want not to go. And you have somebody who don't have time for that and do not fit the lifestyle of yours. So you're going to sit down for what? After him in a blood clot, rocket pussy clot fella. If him in a drop blood clot money for me to pay my pussy clot bills, then a different story. Then I wait. But if you ain't showing your blood clot, we'd fire the pussy clot man. Bumbo clot. And where take this for? We don't know our worth. What happened? What happened to one time we did nice and slim and trim and everything. But then ready for drop, you know. We're not put on like a weight, we're not work so hard and accomplish. Make them accomplish certain things. Most of the women nowadays are them put the man on pedestal. Don't even talk about who know where God Jamaica that take up man we can't even blood clot read and write good. And some of them were out there where even can't read and write and didn't have the establishment okay and then come a foreign. What happened? After 2 fucking years they gone left, you know? 3 years. After them get the green card and come here, them gone. Them gone about them business. And now you carry them come here. They mean that Jamaica would 1, 2, 3 little job now and then. And you up here sit down and I carry and I send money come give them for mine and them blood clot children. Who not going home, who not carry suitcase of clothes and barrel and who not enhancing them. And when them come here now and they get one job, they barely want to even express themselves. And even say, babes, me get my green card now, I'm working 1 of the 2 years. Let me take you on a trip to Paris. Let me give you one blood clot ring. Drop one partner and get all one $5,000 blood clot ring to show the appreciation. How we not suffer, we not self and work, we not look on home care jobs and all them something there. And send money for them during the time when them not working. I remember so we not see them until once or twice a year sometimes. We not go down, only can spend 2-3 weeks and come back because if you come back on a job. Because you know America, if you can't pay your bills, you're out. You understand? Them not even have the audacity to say, okay then, let me invest and surprise, you know. And say let me buy a big ring, let me take you across the world. Them no want to do nothing. All them want to do is to fly a Jamaica and build up houses and build up this and who forget this and who forget that. But them no remember the sacrifice that you made to go down and keep that blood clot big wedding. Buy them clothes, them shoes, and the pussy clot ring. Remember when me married to my first husband, you know? Him never have nothing. Him just not too long come off of the ship and come America. You understand? And whatever. You understand? And him couldn't him one little ring him buy. And when during the year, me say, when you get work and establish, you buy me back a ring. When we establish him, tell me, say, I no ring I love, him love me. I take off that blood clot ring and go party. The one when he give me. Me no ramp. I take that blood clot ring off of my finger. From there, so me no wear no wedding ring. Me no ramp. I take off that raw little tiny one when get me. I carry God Jamaica off in a softwood boulevard, go pawn that blood clot. When he ask me where ring, me say me pawn it. He take off female and put in a jar too. I pawn that Ross. I carry go right at Jamaica Avenue, Softwood Boulevard, right across from the bank. Go sell it. Because him was working enough money. That is when them get too comfortable and appreciate nothing. Why you think I don't go to Jamaica? Go help, go care for a man? Eh? For the amount of experience when me so know, I could have helped so much and give somebody a green card. Do you know much nice man friend me ever had? When a call to me when me know for much years and I could have married and care up? Nice, sexy man. But me know they're not gonna be fucking faithful when they come up here. Because them too fucking hot too. Some of them too hot. And them the one them me talk to, trust me, them have blood clot education and them have them job at Jamaica where I work. But they not gonna be faithful. They ain't gonna be faithful, me not ask you. Woman I come and chat to them popular them know. I tell you, me not waste my fucking time. Let me take a little blood clot pour one up here. Let me take a little pour one. Stop wasting no blood clot time. Winter no cold, no one look smart to go to it. Weekend time. Don't you want to go to the movies? Don't you want to go to move with somebody? Isn't it better to have a man 2 or 3 days a week than to have somebody just twice a year? Even if he can't come by you and him working and he busy and he only can't come by you 2 or 3 times a week or whatever, isn't it better than having somebody out wait the whole year or 2 years? You only talk to somebody video camera, not me. No, not me. At least we can see him at least 3-4 times out of the week. Not me. Not me. Me not see the reason why I'm to go across the street. Me not see the reason why me have to go across the street. Me have a friend in Jamaica. Me have a friend in Jamaica where me know for over 20 years. Where me know say love me. I mean, me and him, we go Jamaica every year, me and him all over the place. And him have a girlfriend. I mean, them have a baby mother. And him have a girlfriend. But anyway, me go to Jamaica because we are so close. We are so close. It's like, him listen to me because he watch me every day. You understand? We are so close in a way that whether or not, and him soon come a foreign. If it's a possibility when he come a foreign, me and he end up together. Me I tell you the truth. It's a possibility when he come a foreign, me and he end up together. Because him always say, Marcia, I don't care what you want to do. You see, when me come a foreign, a total different thing. You do what you want to do, but when me come a foreign, a total different thing. I could have gone to Jamaica married to him. I could have come to Jamaica and married to him. He said, when I didn't really interested, but you know, him mother file film now and him almost here. Everything is fine now. When him say you do what you want to do, but when me come a foreign, I remember say somebody when me know for almost 30 odd years. A matter of fact, lifetime. Because you know why? Because Fim father from a different mother is married to my cousin, my auntie daughter. Well, I'm just saying. And it's just like me and my friend for much years or whatever it is. I just suck. So I don't like them in know him. I don't like them in know him or whatever. And maybe one time me and him could have reached far from back in my younger days. But my sister, them never like him because he was a smoker. And they never like him, so they used to turn against him. They used to turn against him because him smoke. So they never like him. But him still a smoke, said we. But I'm just saying, there is people that you can work with. These are persons who work, having good up job. I am not really cater like that. But me I said to myself, say, what is the sense of having a relationship? I want to see the whole heap of things where people are going with. I wonder. I want to see the whole heap of things and emotional distress. The amount of things. Some people are lucky to find a good man. But the man them nowadays, it's like them planning. Them and them woman are plan. The woman them sit down and them plan with the man and say, babes, me and the woman you talk, you know. Them a benefit. Man now work right. The woman them a plan, you know, with the man, you know. And that a go on a yard, you know. Every man whether Jamaica, rich or blood clot, poor them have a girl. Down to the madman of a ras girl. Me not ask you. Them have them love. Jamaica man, me that Jamaica. What I want to eat now. The man them a Jamaica. Let me tell you something. No matter how you see them not even have a piece of boot on them foot. My blood clot 10. Them have a woman. When them da Jamaica, them seems to be very faithful. Very faithful and very committed. No matter how you see them sweet talk, you may not have nobody. Them have one girl on the side. Regardless if them in a really big committed relationship, but I'm teaching you guys something. When the man them da Jamaica, they are very committed. Then we keep you and keep somebody else in the same community. And everybody will work along with it. And they will tell you that they don't have nobody. But in a matter, them don't have them have somebody. And the woman them likes them. They've been with them at Christmas time and New Year's Eve night. Them come out and them look so hot. You no matter what, when they say soul to soul, them dress up and then come out, whether them frack one look good or look good not. Them have somebody. Trust me. And as soon as you slip, them call up them other people. When they come afar and those people still call them, said where? Them and them not going nowhere. Uno can't stay there. Uno can't stay there let these men fool you know. No matter how them stay, believe me or not, them have somebody. Them have somebody. Don't even talk about if they have children. That's why me not chat to no man with no little baby. If them pick them an adult, me don't want them. Me lucky my friend them pick them an adult. If they're not adult, whether or not they, well, them, once them are 15, 16, 17, 18, them adult, me don't want no man with a little baby. Them mans, them a yard, low them man to married. Yes. And nowadays the woman them have to realize the man them. Me I go buy Jamaican food tonight. I haven't had Jamaican food in a long time. The man them now a yard. You know say me going to a restaurant, go sit down. You know say I see I want a man pay for the food. Them a up a sale going on in a restaurants, a lot of food. But I am going to have some curry goat and roti. I don't even know if that's what I want. Curry goat. Yeah. And I may tell them, say, the man them nowadays, them set up with the woman. I hear some breeders story in a tap here. You have man to talk to woman, the woman, the rights of them. Them already don't talk to woman and say, babe, just watch the man. Just go on. His body can't done. Remember, you know, after a woman reach certain age, you know, then can't breed again. All when a man reach blood clot 199, then can't breed a woman. You understand? So, when we done have pitney, them still can't have pitney, said we. So your body can't done. You understand? Me say me eat to see them. You can block. Can you block channels on YouTube? Can you block channels on YouTube? Because me tired to see. Me not subscribe to these motherfuckers. Then how is it that them up a YouTube video pop up on top of my screen? I mean, I subscribe to them. How is that? You can't block. Can you block people from YouTube? Block channels from YouTube? Anybody answer? Can you block channels from YouTube? Cause me just see something pop up on top with my big name headline. But Dr. Hate said New Year I come so and so with my full name. Can you block them? Can you block the channels them? Can me get all the evidence so me can't get it ready now? So them a channel I can't always block. Because me already done take out the URL number. Me already done screenshot them headlines and whatever it is.